5 seconds. For this, officers need to encourage professionalism not only in their own working but also in the organizations they lead. They need to be strongly committed to updating their knowledge and skills as well as building capacity of those who work under them. The indication training program is an well as building capacity of those who under work them. The indication training program is an important milestone as you enter a new phase in your careers. The wider role you will now play in the governance and administration of India calls for realignment of attitude, refinement of skills, and expansion of perspective. There should be an even greater commitment to rising about caste, community, and regional identities wherever you may work, irrespective of the district or the state, the ministry or the department, you will be contributing to nation building. The course at the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration is aimed at providing an all India perspective. It is planned to develop a sense of awareness and responsibility for working at the next level in the state and union government through imparting multidisciplinary knowledge and skill to function effectively as an administrator, instilling the right attitude and approach to understanding the role of the IAS in developing institutions for nation building and inculcating a sense of camaraderie and connect with your peers from other parts of the country. I trust the course has been able to achieve its objective and enhance your skills in the important role you will play in governance. I wish you a long and fulfilling career in the IAS and in the service of our nation and our people. You have joined a public service and are the nation's shoulders in an important area of environment and ecological conservation. Discharge your duties fairly, without fear, without honesty, and in such a way that your actions benefit the nation and common citizens as a whole. India is one of the fastest growing economies in the world, and we have set ourselves stiff targets. You have to strike a balance between conservation needs and development requirements. Your job is not to pose problems but to provide solutions. Forestry is a challenging profession. It was an exclusive domain of man till recent time, but thankfully that has changed. It is heartening that more and more lady officers are optioning to join the Indian Forest Service. I sincerely hope the lady officers will bring about a meaningful change due to their hard work and dedication. Lady forest officers will not only be able to correct the gender distortion, they will also bring a fresh outlook to the working of your department. This is a welcome development for the country. I understand this is a moment of double celebration and commemoration for Jesus and Mary College. While the college marks its golden jubilee, the congregation of the religious of Jesus and Mary, the holy order that has founded and ruins this institution, and so many others in our country and elsewhere, is entering the year of its bicentenary. I am happy to be here for the closing event of the World Telugu Conference. This is the fifth such conference and the first to be held in the state of Telangana, which I am visiting for the first time after being elected as the President of India. I congratulate all the delegates and particularly those who have come from abroad from about 42 countries. I am happy to learn that my colleague and the Vice President of our country inaugurated this conference. The past 5 days have been a tribute to the richness and heritage of the Telugu language. Telugu is the second most spoken language in our country. It is the mother tongue of the people of two states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Since 2008, it has been recognized as a classical language for its long literary tradition, a tradition of which even the Chief Minister is an important part. I am told he has a keen understanding of Telugu literature. The history of Telugu culture and literature has given so much to our country and to human civilization. The greatest emperor of the Vijayanagar Empire was both a remarkable ruler as well as an exponent and patron of Telugu literature. There are so many others who contributed to their ethos of this soil. Telugu has been a language of learning and wisdom, of protest and liberty, of national pride and universal values. This is my first visit to Visakhapatnam since assuming office as the President of India. I am glad it has brought me to this well known and well respected institution of higher learning. Andhra S. Radhakrishnan was also Vice Chancellor of this university. I am also happy to note that the alumni of Andhra University include the current Vice President. At the center of this world view has been the belief that human empowerment is key to overall human development.